So I have a couple recessed light cans that are sagging out of my ceiling just like this, and I'm going to show you how I'm fixing that. I should mention that I am not an electrician. I don't do this all the time, so I'm not sure what I'm showing you is the right way to do it, but it seems to be working. And when I looked online, I found very little information on how to do this, so maybe an electrician will see this and come along and do a proper tutorial on the right way, but I think it's pretty good here. So the first thing you want to do is, if you look up in here, there's this flange, and it's held on by these springs that just clip up into the top part of the can. So you pull that out. Looks like this one was missing one. There are two on most of them. And these are just kind of cheapo cans, probably from the late 80s, early 90s. Different kinds of cans might have different kinds of clips that hold them up. So you just want to make sure you're getting the right thing for what you have. And there's other recessed lighting that is actually mounted from the top, but these are the kind that you push up through a hole in your drywall ceiling after that ceiling's been installed. So what I discovered is the reason, in my case, that the lighting has fallen down is the people who installed it never installed clips. So you can see it just drops right out. They had just shoved it up in there, and the friction on the hole was holding it up. So I'm going to put some of these clips in. So I have the clips that look like this. They have this little end that actually clips onto the light can, and then this is like a foot. And I'll show you from the outside the way that goes on. So it goes through this little slot here, and then it pushes down, and we have several of these. They act as like springy feet that push the can up into, they push against the top of the drywall and push the can up in there. Now if you have it in here, that you can see it's down below the level of the flange, so you couldn't just install these and push it up through, because you won't be able to get them through. You have to install it from the inside. So that's what I'm going to do. Just going to get my can up in there, and then I'm going to just slide the bottom of the, so I have this foot to contend with, so I got to slide that through and then up and around. One second. So it's tight. There we go. So now what I have to do is pull this part of the clip down the slot so that it secures. On the first try, I did it with the handle of a screwdriver. I just stuck it up there and I pulled down with the screwdriver, but I found I got better results with a wrench. So what I did is I took my adjustable wrench and just maxed it out, and then I have enough room that I can squeeze it down. Let's see if I can do it. Well, I'm holding my phone. Yep, there we go. So I just squeezed it down, and now it's in place. And then I have two others like that to do, and that will push up the can in place. And then I just replace my flange, and you're good to go. So that's how I'm doing it. Again, maybe somebody who's done this a lot can come along with a better way, but it seems to be working all right.